birthday girl entrance. So requesting everyone to please focus your eyes on our screen for a timeline photos presentation. So guys, let's watch this. Alright, so wait lang. Oo, okay. So it's a prank. It's a prank. Diba? It's a prank kali. Doon na-shock si Cassie sa likod. Na may timeline din, photos, galing nga, no? Ipakita.
She was driving last Friday on the way to Cincinnati on a slow white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and daddy with the baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go, she was running low on faith and gasoline. It been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was sitting on a thin black sheet of glass. She saw both the lights flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so sick. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this all alone.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Just want to hop on here real quick and say happy 18th birthday.
Big round of applause to the beautiful Lola Genera! Let's go, Lola! Come on! Dance! Yes! Yes, Lola Genera! Show us your moves! Yes, perfect! More! Yes, guys, clap your hands to Lola Genera! Shake your body! Yeah! Come on, Lola Genera! Very energetic, Lola Genera. Alright! So at this point, let us all welcome, of course, the proud Tito and proud mommy of our birthday girl, palakpakan to Tito Rito! And Mom Rowena! Yes, come on, guys! Show us your moves! Come on! Alright, so guys, once again, let's give a big round of applause to our birthday girl, Cassie. Yes, alright, so ladies and gentlemen, you may now take your seat. Okay, so at this point, let us all hear a words of welcome coming from the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
with energy, ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Happy birthday to you! Yes! Happy birthday! Yes, happy birthday, Cassie! Clap your hands.
Day to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yes, happy birthday, Cassie. So at this point, make a wish and blow your candle in the count of 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and blow. Alright, so once again, palakpakan for Cassie! Yes! Alright, so guys, please remain standing, no? And of course, I know after that, you can and right. So this is a promise. So raise your right hand and repeat after me. Alright, so I promise to stay here until the end of the celebration. If not, okay, I will refund all the gastos of the family. So help me God. Yes, palakpakan ladies and gentlemen! Alright, so you may now take your seat. And of course, before kita magkanto sa ato niya buffet table, first we're going to have a picture taking with Cassie. Then after that, pwede nakabuka kanto sa ato niya buffet table. So that is your ticket going sa ato niya buffet table. So first, yes, yes, ang family first. So requesting all the families to be here sa ato niya long table.
Sununoy.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you here in this beautiful venue and also to celebrate my daughter, Cassie's, for her 18th birthday. And I'm so grateful to have you here tonight. So let's all have fun, relax, and enjoy.
Alright, so once again, let's give a big round of applause to Ma'am Rowena. Alright, so, maano ka na daray, ma-Friday, dapat may energy kita until the end.
Gana. Happy birthday and happy 18th birthday. Galingan mo pa sa pag-aaral. Yes, natin
Thank you so much, Sarito. Alright, so next we have, let's give a big round of applause to Sir Jerome Miron.
Hi, Lily Cassie, in behalf of Ninong Jerome. Kung ano man na message ni Ninong mo, anak na. Ako, as a part of your birthday today, I have my own message. Si Tito Bong, nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi pag kailangan. So, happy 18th birthday, Cassie.
Hello, happy birthday, Cassie. More birthday to come. Eskwela Mayata. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So next, we have Elena Canilla. Ay, kung go lower, 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 ay, perfect, kung gata, lower. Okay na kayo, hindi ka lang magatag, kaya gano'n ka na dance.
Be happy birthday in behalf of your tita Nene, ako lang naya. Happy birthday kay no, mag-silang ito maya, agad matapos mo ang imo nga kurso.
Alright, so next we have, yes, the beautiful Danica Marie Santos.
Hello, B. Happy birthday. Happy legal birthday, B. Good luck with your studies, and I hope you will achieve your goals in life. B.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So next we have Maria Ruby Pacheco. Music 5, 6, 7, 8. Go! Music na tayo.
Ano bigay sa'yo?
Ano, ma'am? Na-touch. Sa first booking na message, na-touch kami sa happy birthday tungko. So next muna mga message na touch naman kaniliwan. Okay. So next we have John Lennon Estranero. Yes, John Lennon. Let's go.
Kasi happy birthday.
Wala ko
Para
na
lang message ko para kanino.
Ano? Para ka na, Kon? sorry. Thank you so much. Alright. So next we have Mary Salen Estador. Yes! Lower! Alright! Wait! Hey! Yeah, aragay.
Hi, babe! You are so big now. Nilagyan ko, baby. So, happy 8th birthday, babe. I wish na makatapos ka sa pag-aaral mo and good health. Study hard. Diba? Love you.
Pasok ka sa top 18, Aliyah May Puga.
Happy birthday to my crybaby friend. I'm always here for you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I will always appreciate everything you do for me. I am so lucky to have a friend like you. And may God continue to light up your life, showing you the best path and making all your dreams come true. Also, I wish you good health. So, ayun, dito lang ko para sa iyo kasi and support you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my favorite monkey as pinakamabait na girl na nakilala ko. Grabe, you're 18 already. How time flies. Thank you for the friendship that you've given me, for staying true always. Through ups and downs, you're always there for me and I'm forever thankful. I will always cherish it forever. My wish for you is to live a happy and successful life. May your dreams come true. Always stay positive, Cassie girl. And know that I'm always there for you to listen to your problems and everything. Love, Mama.
Hello, Cassie. Happy birthday. I was gonna write a speech for you, but if I fall short of writing, so I wanted to come from my heart. Happy 18th birthday, Luan. Cassie, you're growing as such a beautiful woman, and then I hope in your adulthood you get new experiences and happy experiences. I hope that we continue to have more fun memories together, and I can't wait to graduate, go to prom, go through more school stuff with you and all of our classmates. Thank you for being here for me, and thank you for being for the others. You're truly a joy to have in the classroom and as a friend. We love you so much, Cassie, and I love you so much. Happy 18th birthday, Luan.
Thank you so much, Dean. So next we have Pauline Isabel Tarico.
Happy 18th birthday, me. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Watching you grow into the amazing person you are has been such a joy. You bring so much light to everyone around you. And I'm grateful for all of our memories. And I'm so proud of you and can't wait to see all the incredible things you'll do. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and everything you deserve. Thank you for being such an important part of my life. I love you.
One, two, three, Waki. 1, 2, 3, jump shot. Charot lang na. Okay, so next. Mga tita, so pwede nakabakan ko sa atong buffet table, sir. Pwede nakapapag-good. So next is ang mga tita.
luck.
comes out just when you need it to. As I pace back and forth all this time, 'cause I honestly believed in you. Hold on, the days drag on, stick with girl. Should've known. I'm not a princess, this ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one who slip off her feet, lead her up the stairwell. This ain't Hollywood, it's for you.
Wave ka mo guys. Wave, 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 wave. Guys, wave ka mo guys. Wave, wave. Wave. Just wave.
Baby, I was naive, got lost in your eyes and never really had a chance. My mistake, I didn't go to be in love. You had to fight, you had the upper hand. So many trees got you and me. Happy endings, now I know.
Next is Friends of Cassie. Alright, so once again requesting Friends of Cassie.
This was the very first page, not where the story would end. My thoughts will echo your name until I see you again. These are the words I held back as I wasn't sheltered to me. Please don't be like someone else. Please don't.
Then after that, ang mga titos na to sa Alright, so once again, isama ang sigapang na palakpakan for Cassie! Alright, so next we have Vince Beaver, Good Boy! Go! Yes! Alright, so get one and pass. HBD. Okay. So next we have Aliyah May Fundal. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so next we have John Lennon Estranero. Alright, so next we have Junrich Helvoria. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, ano ka ba sa Plants vs. Zombies? Charot lang. Alright, so next we have John Valley Magabanwa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
Happy birthday, Cassie. Kaya ito na yung second sem.
Hey! Alright, so next we have French Warren Graza. 5, 6, Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Welcome to Legality. Wish you all the best. Tsaka labas ka rin minsan pag bibili kami yelo. I told ka. Alright, so next we have Lance Horday. Come and go. Tap the time. In behalf of Sir Agoy, happy birthday, Cassie. Alright, so next we have Sir Vincent Escaba.
Tatay niyan. Tatay niyan.
On behalf kay Vincent, thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. And of course, to complete our 18 Blue Nails, let's give a big round of applause to Asuncion Canilla. Ayaw ka sa bal, okay? Alright, so at this point,
1, 2, 3, cheers!
Dapat message ka Lee.
Happy 18th birthday, B. Let's cheers for your new journey.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
alright, so once again, thank you so much. We would like to thank, of course, our suppliers for tonight. Thank you so much, Toto Wento Home Photography, for capturing this amazing birthday celebration. And of course, thank you so much, Mian, our hair and makeup artist. And of course, sa ating operator, Tonton, thank you so much. And to kay Ann for this amazing place. And thank you so much kay Sama namin yung food. Thank you so much to kay Ann. And Ma'am Ann Candila, of course, to kay Ma'am Dern, the manager of Tukay Ann, thank you so much. So requesting ng ating suppliers to please come in front and to have a photo opportunity with Cassie. Alright, so again, requesting Ma'am Ann, Ma'am Dern, Toto Wen, and Tonton, and of course, si Mia Kumalan. Okay, so again,
Thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta sa birthday ko. And thank you for taking time to go here. Kahit sa iba, malayo pa. Thank you.
thank you so much.